In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix JavaScript not running in VS Code. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, VS Code remains a text editor, not a full environment. If your JavaScript isn't running, it's usually because you lack the Node.js engine to execute the code or haven't configured the output terminal correctly. So VS Code cannot run JavaScript natively outside of a browser unless Node.js is installed on your system. So what you want to do is open up the VS Code terminal. So once you're on it, go ahead and press Control and then like the apostrophe and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, if you get an error, Node is not installed. So what you need to do is download the latest version from nodejs.org, which you can just find right here. It's going to say get node.js. And the fastest way to run a single script without typing commands is using an extension. So what you want to do is click the extensions icon, which is going to be on the left sidebar, which is going to be 4 squares, which look like this. And then search for code runner. So I'm going to type that in right now. And then once you go ahead and type it in, go ahead and click install on this. Then open up your JS file and click the play button in the top right corner or press Ctrl-Alt-N and your code results will appear in the output tab at the bottom. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all the other tutorials as well.